Hi, in this video I will show you how to perform your parser transformation with the help of a reference table. So first of all I will show you my data set. This is my data where I'm having these columns: EID, full name, salary, department and address. And in department column you can see I'm having CSC, ECE and IT. But in this case you can see, in this case my CSC is written in caps, and in this case my CSC written in capital letters but with the dots in between. And in this case you see EC is in capital, C small, E small. But I want to convert these invalid values of department column into valid values with the help of a reference table, so that in the source table I am having invalid values, but in the target I will have only valid values according to the reference table. So this is my data set. Then I will go back to my Informatica developer. For this I have already created a PDO. You can see this is my PDO. If you want to see data you can click on run. This is my PDO, and I have already created a reference table for this. If you want to see you can go here, open. Now you can see this is my reference table. If you want to see data you can go here on data. You can see here, you can see there are 5 columns. First is valid column. This is invalid, invalid, invalid and invalid. These 4 are basically invalid values. Now suppose in your data set it is written C.S, it will be converted to CSC capitals, and if it is written computer space S, it will also convert it to CSC, and if it is written E.C, it will be converted into EC. All these invalid values, if you will have these invalid values in your data set, then it will be converted to valid values. So this is the benefit of a reference table. You can convert your invalid values that are present in invalid column will be converted to valid values. Now I will create a mapping to perform a transformation, and click on project new mapping. My mapping name will be underscore reference. This is my location where I want to create my mapping. You can see this. Now I will drag my source in. I want to read from this, so I will select read and click on OK. Now you can see there are 5 ports here. Then I will add a transformation that will be parser. Now in parser I am having 2 options, token and pattern based. I will use token parser. Finish. Then I will connect my department with the input of this parser transformation. Then I will select my parser transformation, click on properties, then strategies. I will add one strategy here. My strategy name will be, you can have parser department. This will be my strategy. Input will be my department, as I have added this column into my input port of the parser transformation. The rest will be unchanged. My delimiter will be space. Next. Now in this case I will use parse using reference table. I will not use token set. In the last video I have shown you parsing using token set, in which we have used regular expression, but in this case we will use reference table. Next, you can browse your reference table now. My reference table is in this. This is my reference table, department underscore reference underscore table. I will select my reference table. You can see this. Then I will select this. That means I will replace the invalid values with the valid values. Then I will select a port. You can add a port here. My new port will be new department, or you can write any name which you want to give to the new department. Okay, so this will be my output. This is my reference table. Next, you can click on finish if you don't want to add anything else. Now you can see a new department port here. To view my data now, I can use my expression transformation. Now for this, my EID and department, old department column, my EID will be come from source, then old department, that is invalid values, will be come from source, and the original now new department will come from parser. You can see if you want to compare your old department values with the new department, so I am keeping my old department name also, new department name also. Then select my expression, click on run data viewer. Now you can see here my old department, in this case it was correct, CSC CAC, but in this case ECE, C and E is in small letters, so it is converted to caps, uppercase, and this was correct. Now in this case, fifth row, sixth row, C.S.E, it was C.S.E, but now it is converted into CSE, that means which is the valid values. Now I can show you my reference table again. All these values which are present in my invalid values will be converted to my valid values, that you can compare here also. I hope it is clear and you have liked this video. Thank you and have a nice day.